Welcome to this presentation on relative importance of agricultural factors on India's GDP growth. This research was conducted by Rajiv Kumar Dolai et al. And published in 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Traditional methods such as marginal correlation analysis inaccurately estimate the relative importance of agricultural factors on GDP growth due to prevalent multicollinearity and overlapping contributions. This inherent imprecision often leads to suboptimal policy decisions. This research introduces and applies the true relative importance methodology, extending Mondal 2008's orthopartial correlations. This approach relaxes the assumption that simple or pseudo-partial correlations accurately represent individual factor contributions in multivariate contexts, especially when complex statistical interactions are present. The objective is to provide a statistically valid decomposition of R squared for Indian agricultural factors from 1960 to 1961 to 2019 to 2020. The study utilized time series secondary data from 1960 to 1961 to 2019 to 2020, with log transformed agricultural GDP as the dependent variable. Five key factors: irrigated area, fertilizer, rainfall, and temperature were analyzed, with data sourced from various Indian government bodies. The true relative importance methodology calculates relative importance by averaging orthopartial and semi-orthopartial correlations across 24 distinct paths for each factor. This approach explicitly accounts for multicollinearity, enhancement synergism, and change in sign effects, providing a more accurate decomposition of R squared than prior methods such as LMG or PMVD. The true relative importance methodology, specifically using the adjusted signed average, reveals irrigated area as the most significant factor, explaining 29.15% of agricultural GDP growth. This finding contrasts sharply with its squared marginal correlation of 73.37%, demonstrating a substantial overestimation by traditional marginal analysis. Fertilizer follows at 27.16%, while temperature, often underestimated by marginal analysis at 2.45%, accounts for 19.24% of the growth. This significant lift in accuracy, particularly for factors like temperature, is driven by the methodology's explicit handling of multicollinearity and overlapping contributions, as illustrated in Figure 2. Despite India receiving substantial annual rainfall, its relative importance to agricultural GDP is only 0.25%, highlighting the critical role of irrigation due to spatial and temporal distribution issues, as depicted in Figure 3. Non-irrigated area, contributing 23.56%, remains significant but is highly vulnerable to rainfall variability, emphasizing the need for resilient agricultural practices. The analysis revealed extensive multicollinearity, change in sign, and enhancement synergism effects across the 24 paths for factors such as non-irrigated area, detailed in Appendix 1. This complex interplay confirms that simplified correlation measures are insufficient for accurate policy formulation. This research demonstrates that neither simple correlations, orthopartial correlations, nor marginal analysis accurately capture the true relative importance of agricultural factors on GDP. The true relative importance methodology provides a comprehensive framework for policymakers to understand these complex interactions, avoiding the overestimation or underestimation inherent in simpler methods. The paper identifies that marginal explanatory power consistently overestimates the true importance of irrigated area while underestimating that of temperature, a pattern holding for other factors. While the methodology addresses complex statistical interactions, the study's findings are based on historical data from 1960 to 1961 to 2019 to 2020, and future climate shifts or policy changes could alter these dynamics.